Well, hello and welcome to day 13 of Miniature Vlogmas. Today I'll be making wrapping paper. So the first thing we need for this is some patterned paper, which I've got a whole book of here, and I'm going to cut out a few pieces that are 2 1/4 inches wide. Next, I'm going to take a paper straw and cut it into 2 1/4 inch pieces. This will be the inside of our wrapping paper. Next, I'm going to add glue to the edge of one of my pieces of paper and glue the straw down. Once that's dry, I'll add more glue to the rest of my paper and roll it up nice and tightly to form my wrapping paper. I will repeat this again until all of my pieces of paper have been rolled up. And that's pretty much it for today, a nice and simple tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 14 of Vlogmas. Bye!